Hello everyone, in this small tutorial I will show you how to handle the null values. So here you can see there is two null values for employee ID 7. So how we can handle it? Let's say I will write here select employee underscore ID comma, then I will give here department ID comma, then I will write here is null. Okay, is null salary comma 0 as salary underscore not underscore null. Okay, from which table we are taking? Employees. Okay, now I will execute this query. Now here you can see salary not null is alias name and here is coming 0. Okay, so you can see how we handled null values. So here you can see I have written is null salary comma 0. So basically is null is true, means salary is null, then it means condition is true, so it will return 0. If you write here 100, whatever value you are writing, it will return here. Okay, now again I am executing this query. Here you can see it's returning 100. So like that you can handle the null values in your table. Okay.